Say you are a SME company, you are servicing some large corporates, there is a significant delay in terms of receiving money from a customer. What happens is that by the traditional banking norms, you often get credit only up to 90 days. So banks, when they calculate your working capital limit, they will look at your receivables, your inventories, and your payables, and up to 90 days, and that too a 75% of that amount is what they will give you as a working capital limit. 25% you have to fund from your own capital, which is your net worth. So if you are servicing an industry, and say you're servicing, for example, a government, they don't pay in say 90 days, they might even pay you 120 days, 130 days. Or let's say, for example, suddenly you get a very big order and you can't go to your bank because banks inherently would ask for a significant vintage in terms of half yearly numbers or say yearly numbers to be able to extend you more credit. Today you are losing opportunity, and if you're an ambitious founder who are getting a lot of opportunities, today you can actually fund it through some alternate financiers. I would put in this: if you're an ambitious SME profitable company wants to grow very fast and require capital access, today in the market there are different lending products which are available, which sit on top of your existing banking arrangements and provide you more growth capital to achieve this scale. For example, number one is supply chain financing structure, which is could be in the form of a sales invoice discounting or a purchase invoice discounting on the either side. Second thing, WCDL, working capital demand loan, 60, 90, 120 days you can easily access credit in the market. Number three, which you should explore, is some sort of a structured debt. So there are funds in the market which will allow you to raise growth capital for expansion purposes or for your long-term working capital requirement at favorable terms and allow you to repay this as per your cash flow and the business requirement. Apart from this, if you are, let's say, into export, there is definitely an option to do exports financing or like an export factoring. So there are certain countries in which you sell your product. Today you can actually get financing very easily in a span of a week or a 10 days, money in the bank in the export financing space. So some of these four options, I would say, if you are operating, should definitely explore.